As a project management professional, data integrity is paramount. Whether you're tracking tasks, managing resources, or analyzing project performance, the accuracy of your data directly impacts your ability to make informed decisions and achieve successful outcomes. For Wrike users leveraging the Wrike Store, a hub for powerful integrations and add-ons, ensuring the data flowing through these connections is correct is crucial. This video will walk you through various methods and best practices to confirm the integrity of your Wrike Store data. We'll break down the process into manageable steps, making it easy for anyone, regardless of their technical expertise, to understand and implement. Think of this as a quality assurance process for your project management ecosystem. Understanding the Wrike Store and data flow. Before diving into the confirmation methods, let's briefly understand what the Wrike Store is and how data typically flows through it. The Wrike Store offers a variety of integrations with other business-critical applications, such as CRM systems, e.g., Salesforce, communication platforms, e.g., Slack, Microsoft Teams, file storage solutions, e.g., Google Drive, Dropbox, and more. When you connect a Wrike Store app, data is exchanged between Wrike and the integrated platform. This exchange can be unidirectional, data flowing from one system to another, or bidirectional, data syncing between both systems. The specific data points being exchanged depend on the particular integration and its configuration. Why data confirmation is essential. Inaccurate data stemming from Wrike Store integrations can lead to a cascade of problems. Flawed reporting. If data synced from a CRM is incorrect, your sales pipeline reports within Wrike will be unreliable, leading to poor forecasting and strategic decisions. Inefficient workflows. Incorrect task assignments or due dates pulled from another system can disrupt project timelines and team productivity. Resource misallocation. If resource availability data isn't accurately reflected due to integration issues, you might overallocate or underallocate team members, impacting project delivery. Communication breakdowns. Incorrect information shared via integrated communication platforms can lead to misunderstandings and delays. Erosion of trust. Consistent inaccuracies can erode trust in the data within Wrike, leading teams to rely on external, potentially outdated information. Therefore, proactively confirming the accuracy of your Wrike Store data is not just a good practice. It's a fundamental aspect of effective project management. Methods to confirm your Wrike Store data. Here are several practical methods you can employ to verify the integrity of your Wrike Store data. 1. Manual spot checking and comparison. This is the most basic yet often effective method. It involves manually selecting a few records in Wrike that are supposed to be synced with an integrated application and comparing them with their corresponding records in the other system. How to do it. Identify key data points that are being synced, e.g., task names, due dates, status updates, client names, project budgets. In Wrike, locate a sample of tasks, projects, or folders that are linked to the integration. Open the corresponding records in the integrated application. Carefully compare the values of the identified data points in both systems. Document any discrepancies found. Best for initial setup validation, periodic checks on critical data points, troubleshooting specific issues. Limitations. Time-consuming for large datasets, prone to human error if not performed meticulously. 2. Leveraging Wrike reports. Wrike's robust reporting capabilities can be used to identify potential data inconsistencies. You can create custom reports that pull data related to your integrations and look for anomalies or discrepancies. How to do it. Identify the Wrike fields that are populated by the integration. Create custom reports that include these fields alongside relevant native Wrike fields. Filter and group the data in your reports to look for inconsistencies, e.g., tasks with a specific status in Wrike but a different corresponding status in the integrated system. Utilize calculated fields within Wrike reports to perform comparisons or flag discrepancies based on predefined rules. Best for identifying patterns of inconsistencies, monitoring data integrity over time, generating regular data quality checks. Limitations. Requires a good understanding of Wrike's reporting features. The effectiveness depends on how well you define your report criteria. 3. Utilizing the integration logs if available. Some Wrike store integrations provide logs that detail the data synchronization process. These logs can offer valuable insights into whether data transfers were successful, if any errors occurred, and what specific data was involved.